Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are gonna do capsicum curry or capsicum kadai. Take 2 capsicum and chop it in a medium size. In a pan, add some sunflower oil. Add chopped capsicum. Stir well for 2 minutes. Unless it change bit color, remember not to fry it for the long time. Strain the capsicum and keep it aside. And for the same pan, add 1 tablespoon oil if needed. Add cumin seed. Now add chopped onions and stir well for 2 minutes. Now you can add ginger garlic paste. Instead we are adding ginger garlic powder, 1 tablespoon each. Stir well for 2 minutes. Add 2 tablespoons besan powder. Mix properly for 2 minutes. Now add chopped tomato. Mix it well for 2 minutes. Add 1 tablespoon salt. Add 1 cup of water gradually and mix well to get a perfect consistency. Add 1 tablespoon turmeric powder, 2 or 2.5 tablespoon red chili powder as per your taste, 1 tablespoon garam masala, 1 tablespoon coriander powder and mix well for 2 minutes. And now add curd. Mix it well without any lumps. Now close the lid for 2 minutes. Add fried capsicum to it and mix well. If the gravy is too thick, add some water for the perfect consistency. Now add some chopped coriander leaves and mix well. Capsicum Kadai or capsicum gravy is ready to serve. If you have not subscribed to my channel, do subscribe. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.